Hey, in this video, I'll show you a few ways to recover your deleted iPhone photos and videos in 2021. It's actually a very simple tutorial, and as I said, there will be multiple ways, all free, no real software required, some stuff that you can download from the App Store, but it's always free, always legitimate. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, you can go ahead and give me a like for the YouTube algorithm. You can subscribe if you are new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out. And by the way, comment down below which country are you watching this video from, because I'm really curious to know. We have people from all over the world and want to know where you are from. So what you want to do is actually go, and the first thing you can do is check if you have any backup of those photos and videos. And you might be thinking that you don't have one, but you do normally on your iPhone especially. So what you want to do is go over to your iPhone, click on your name, the first basically section. And from there, you want to click on the iCloud button. It's right here. Click on iCloud. And here, when it loads up, it might take a few seconds. You want to go down to iCloud backup. For me, it's on, and it's on, I think, by default. So you click here, and as you can see, I have a backup 2 hours ago. It's 2 p.m. now. 2 hours ago, in 7 minutes, I got a backup automatically. If you have iCloud backup set to on, what you can do is actually go to the General tab on your iPhone, go down to reset all content and settings, and then restore your iPhone from the backups. This is one of the things you can do. Another thing that you can actually do is go to your photos, and sometimes, and I mean most of the times, you can find your deleted photos and videos in the recently deleted tab right here. Just click on recently deleted or the hidden tab, and you should see it. I really hope one of these helped you. Here's another way, and it's actually by just saving your photos via Google Photos. If you go on the App Store and add in Google Photos, for most of you, they might be automatically synced there. Google Photos, let's type it in. Here it is, and I've got it open automatically. Basically, I don't want to show you my photos, but yeah, I really hope one of these guides helps you. If it didn't, comment down below. Try to help you out in the comment section down below. I try to reply to every single comment. Like the video for the algorithm, and I want to see you in one of the next videos.